Wow! The ocean is beautiful. It really is. The coast is the land next to the ocean. Wait, what's that? Wow, this coin is very rare. Rare means not common and hard to find. Hey, look at this. Look, there's a strange symbol on the coin. A symbol is a picture or sign that represents something. Wait, I see the same symbol over there. What does this symbol mean? Let's explore and find out. Look, there's a way in. Explore means to travel around a new place and learn about it. I wonder what we'll find. Wait! Be careful! This bridge is very delicate. Delicate means easily damaged or broken. Maybe we should imitate them. Imitate means to copy what someone does. We imitated the statues, and the bridge got stronger. That was clever! Clever means good at thinking and solving problems. A ray of light is piercing the darkness. Pierce means to go through something. Dagi, I think the coin belongs here. Stop! You stole the sacred coin. Don't accuse us. We found the coin on the coast. I'm sorry. I misunderstood. Accuse means to say someone did something wrong. That coin belongs to this ancient temple. It was lost long ago. We came to bring it back. You did it! What a triumph! Triumph means a great success or victory. Wow!